So, quick story. I helped my cousin make pancakes after I walked in the kitchen and seen them burning them. So, I helped them make the pancakes. I let them flip them, boom, they messing them up. But it's cool. First time, and we put the pancakes on the plate. We go to eat them. I walk away, they take their pancakes, and they leave me the messed up pancake to eat. Seriously? What's the deal, homies? I'm back with a video just to show you guys how I import and send my photos to clients after a photo shoot. So, typically what I do is I always go to my internet browser, which is Google. I go to my email address that I paid 2 terabytes for a Google Drive space. So Google Drive is like a place where you can store and send files to others. And I personally use Google Drive for like Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Calendar, and most importantly, Google Drive to send photos out. So after that, I go to Google Drive. You can pay for storage on here too. So I have 2 terabytes of storage. I used to have 15 gigs, but I started shooting so much that I had to buy more storage. So I upgraded to 100 gigs. Then I surpassed 100 gigs, so I had to upgrade to 2 terabytes. I believe it's $9 or $10 a month. I'm not sure. So I organized my photos by year: 2020, 2019, 2018. And then inside of the year folders, I organized them by month. So this month, of course, it's April. So I'm gonna name it April. Hit create. Click in the April folder. Make another folder inside of the April folder. So I'm gonna make a subfolder inside of the April folder using the client's name. For YouTube purposes, I'm just gonna put YouTube. After we do that, new file upload. Go to your memory card. I'm using the SanDisk memory card, 64 gigs. And so you have CR2 files and JPEG files. I shoot in CR2 and JPEG. Now I'm switching over just to shoot CR2 because I tether now, which I make another video on. But it's important that you upload JPEGs instead of CR2 files, because when you have to pay for storage, you want to make sure that you try to use as minimal amount of storage if possible. So upload a minimal amount of stuff as possible. So JPEGs don't have as much data as RAW. So I always upload my photos in JPEGs and keep the RAWs to edit on. So for example, I'm just gonna use these 5 photos. And typically, like, the more photos you put in there, the longer it takes. Google Drive, depending on your internet connection, don't really take that long from my past experiences, but I've uploaded like 500 photos and I think it probably got done in like 22 minutes, if that. I don't know for sure, but it usually is no longer than 30 minutes. Next thing you want to do is select these photos, move to, it's going to come up with the April tab, and put them in YouTube, or put them in whatever you name the folder of. So just to backtrack, you can do it that way or the way I usually do it. I didn't notice that I was doing it a different way. Click in the folder you want to put the pictures in, and I'm going to go back to my memory card, and I'm going to upload these 5 pictures. And now these 5 pictures are going to be in this folder. Instead of uploading them in the April folder, I upload it in the folder of where they belong, of where you're going to put your client's name at. So after you do that, you want to make sure you turn on link sharing, which is click the arrow button down, get shareable link sharing on. So once I upload the photos on the computer, I then go to my phone, swipe. So in my phone, I already have Google Drive downloaded. So it's gonna take me to Google Drive. You let it open it up. I go to 2020, April, YouTube. You wanna click the 3 dots. After you click the 3 dots, make sure link sharing is on, so it's already on. Hit copy link. And then you wanna text these files to whoever you may want to send them to. So I'm going to send them to one of my business partners. Paste, bingo. Nice and easy. You click in the folder is going to pop up just like this. And after this, I always tell my clients to send me a screenshot or send me the image number, which is at the bottom of the photo. Number of edits they get. I always tell them to send me the image numbers for the 3 edits you want, or send me the image numbers for the 5 edits you want. So depending on how many edits you get out will depend on how many image numbers you want to see. So that's it. That's how I import and send out my photos to clients. Please let me know below how you send out your photos to clients. Until next time. What do I want to do this time? I kind of got these new pillows that I'm haven't cracked open, but they just under here for no reason, and I'm just gonna cover the screen.